In this video I'm going to show you how to save photos from Snapchat to your gallery. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat app. You can go to your profile. If you have any active stories, you will be able to see them there and save them from there. But if you go to this gallery icon on the left side, you can click on your snaps from the past. Let's say I want to click on this one. And then I click on this icon that's like a pen. And then I click on the first one, which says I can share it now anywhere or I can download it. And now I have downloaded it to my camera. Same goes for other things. Just a second, such as stories. If you have any stories you want to save, same thing, click on the icon and save and download, and that's it. Anyways, if this video helped you out, let's subscribe, like, and leave a comment. This video helped me out. If this video didn't help you out, let me know in the comments below what was the problem, and I will do my best to help you out.